Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to remove Gmail from other device on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, firstly here, of course, you just have to open your Gmail applications. And now in this Gmail, you just have to go to your account here guys. Here I'm going to tap on this icon account at the top right. Now go ahead to this option which is manage your Google account. Now you just have to scroll down a little until you find here the security and sign in. Just go ahead, and after in this page you just have to scroll it down again until you find the option which is Google Prompt here guys. Just tap on it, and then in this page you will see your Google account is connected to the other device or not by C here at the bottom. And as you can see, on my Google account is connected to two devices. So if you want to remove from another device or other device, you just have to tap on this manage devices. And now go ahead to the devices or sessions that you want to remove it. Here I'm going to remove it from this iPhone. I'm going to tap on it. Now tap on sign out. Tap on this sign out again and this pop-up. And as you can see, on my Google account is only connected to this phone here guys, the phone that I use for the content. So yeah guys, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.